Hello guys, in this video we will see what is memory, error about in Warzone and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step of understand memory error about content memory error about in Call of Duty. Warzone typically indicates a problem with the game's ability to allocate or access necessary memory resources on your. This isn't necessarily a hardware failure, but rather a conflict or limitation that prevents the game from operating correctly. It can stem from corrupted game files, outdated drivers, insufficient system resources, or even issues with your operating system's memory management, leading to crashes or inability to launch the game.
Step: verify game files and update Warzone content. The first critical step is to ensure your game files are intact and up to date. For users on Battle.net, open the Battle.net client, select Call of Duty Warzone, click the gear icon next to the Play button, and choose Scan and Repair. This process checks for and fixes any corrupted or missing game files. Additionally, confirm that Warzone is running the latest version, as developers frequently release patches that address known memory issues and optimize performance.
Step: update graphics drivers and Windows OS. Content outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are a common culprit for memory-related errors. Download and install the latest drivers directly from your graphics card manufacturer's website. NVIDIA and Intel. It's often recommended to perform a clean installation of these drivers concurrently. Ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated through Windows Update, as system updates often include critical bug fixes and performance enhancements that can resolve underlying memory management issues. Step: manage system resources and virtual memory. Content high memory usage from other applications can starve Warzone of the resources it needs before launching the game. Close all unnecessary background programs, web browsers, and overlays. Furthermore, consider adjusting your virtual memory page file settings in Windows. Navigate to System Properties, Advanced Performance Settings, Advanced Virtual Memory, and set it to System Manage Size, or manually increase it to at least 2 times your physical RAM, up to 2 times, especially if you have 4 or 5 of RAM.
Step: check RAM integrity and reinstall Warzone content. If the error persists, there might be an issue with your physical RAM modules. Run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool by typing mosquitox into the Windows search bar and following the prompts to check for memory errors. If errors are found, your RAM might be faulty. As a final software troubleshooting step, perform a complete clean reinstallation of Call of Duty Warzone. You uninstall the game, manually delete any leftover game files or folders, restart your and then reinstall the game from scratch to ensure a fresh, uncorrupted installation.